Hello, my YouTube friend. I'm back at the store. I actually have two giant boxes of things to unbox, but it's a really nice day. And I've hired an official cameraman for Pop Fun to Play. The reason why I'm hiring him because he's kind of young. He doesn't have a ton of experience, but he's cheap. Let me introduce you to the cool kid. He's gonna be my cameraman.
I'm cheap.
You're cheap. All right. He's cheap. I can pay him in food and video games. Let me just show you. I loaded up the cart. I have a mystery box for my patron Alex and another box of a couple assorted things that we're going to go through at the park. The weather is so nice outside right now that we're going to just take a walk over there and unbox over at the park. Cameraman's hard at work getting my value out of him. He's pushing the cart and carrying the tripod. Obviously, I'm still doing the camera work, but he is definitely assisting today. Right? Yeah. Okay, let's get this stuff to the park. All right, we're at the park. The weather's beautiful out today. It's beautiful here in New York City, so we're going to do a little unboxing outside at the park. All right. First thing in my box of goodies, I just got Pixel Dan's new He-Man book. This thing's amazing. I love it. 750 pages of He-Man. He's got practically every figure ever created, pictured. It's maybe missing, there's no Funko Pops. That's the one thing I was disappointed about, but that's okay because I love all the He-Man figures. This book, it was $45 on Amazon. I think you can buy it at a local comic shop, help support a local shop. Or if you do want to buy from Amazon, I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description below because I need to earn a few bucks to pay for my new cameraman. He's cheap, but these videos don't make a lot. So the cameraman money, if you want to buy this really cool book, there's a link in the description. Next, I have this e-box from Zavvi. They just sent it to me. This is the first e-box I got from them. I opened it because I wasn't sure if I wanted to review it, but I saw this super awesome Metroid shirt in it. I love Metroid. The cool kid loves Metroid.
I love Metroid.
See, the cool kid loves Metroid. And so I opened it up, and then the stuff in it I thought was really cool. Okay, first they had this really cool Aliens Dynamite figure. I thought that was amazing. They had this Star Trek ship. It's like made out of metal. I thought it was the coolest thing ever. That was super amazing. Okay, and then there was this little keychain in this bag, and I looked at it, I was like, oh, that's amazing. So it's a Beskar Steel from The Mandalorian. I thought that was amazing. So I thought this was a really cool box. I wasn't going to plan on reviewing it. They did send it to me for free to review. I just didn't know if I wanted to review it, but I opened it up and I absolutely loved it. So I'm going to put an affiliate link for this as well in the video's description below, because I got to make those bucks for the cameraman, because he wants all the new games and they're kind of expensive. So he's not as cheap as he thinks he is. Alright, that's super cool, but let's get into the main thing here. Alright, next I have this giant box from my patron Alex. Last month, when I sent him his mystery box, I also sent him a whole bunch of extra stuff because I still owed him a bunch of credit from a previous trade, but I went a little overboard and I sent him $180 more in value than he owed me. So he wanted to pay me back. So this is a box full of stuff. He went to my pop price guide list and he found a bunch of pops that he had they want to get rid of that I didn't have. So it's like an equal value trade. I'm really excited. I don't know what's in here, but we're gonna find out. Okay, let's open this box and see what's inside. Okay, the wind is blowing this bubble wrap, but it looks like he did an awesome job packaging this all up, and I'm seeing some amazing stuff. Let me get my other box. Alright, this is hard to do in the wind. It's blowing, but let's see what we got in here. It looks like a lot of really cool stuff. Ooh, okay, we have Rose from The Last Jedi, I believe. I don't think I have any of these. I might have a couple of them, but we're gonna find out. I know I don't have that one. Oh, we have C-3PO from the Smuggler's Bounty box. That's, I guess Last Jedi as well. Cool, is that Last Jedi?
I'm not sure.
I think it is. I don't think I have that one. Okay, next we have, oh, this is cool. We have the Mythrol from Mandalorian. That is awesome. I really wanted that one. Okay, we have a, ooh, Knight of Ren. That is neat. I do not have that one. Okay, sweet. Oh, this is cool. I wanted to fill in the Smurfs that I have. So we have an Astro Smurf. That is really neat. I love that one. Okay, we have Missy from Doctor Who. She looks really cool. Don't have that one. Okay, we have a Fanta Clown. I don't have that one. That one's amazing. Okay, Alex, this is awesome stuff. Okay, so windy. Okay, we have the Assaultatron. I actually don't think I have that one. Okay, that's very cool. Okay, we have the Golden Ray. It's a Walmart exclusive. That is cool. I don't have that one. Okay, I don't think I have any of these. Oh, cool. We have the Metallic Perfect Cell. It's a GameStop exclusive. This one I might have. I probably just forgot to put it into the box. Or maybe I don't have it. He is cool. Okay, next we have GameStop Only Maya. She is really cool from Borderlands 3.
Yeah, really cool.
Yeah, that one is awesome. Going in the collection. All these are going into the collection. We have the Inquisitor, Second Sister. That is really...
Wait, I think it's from the Star Wars game.
Yeah, I think it's from the game. That is cool. I don't have that one. Really happy to get that. We have a Lieutenant Connix. Actually, I think I just got this one. So that might be a duplicate. Or maybe not. I don't remember. Okay. Okay, next we have, oh, Wesley from The Princess Bride. Oh, sweet. My wife and the cool kid love The Princess Bride, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He loved it. He thought this movie was fantastic. Awesome. Okay, we have a, oh, I love this one. She looks so cool. We have Zori Bliss. The cool kid thinks this one's cool. That one is neat. Oh, this one's neat too. We have the Target exclusive Stormtrooper Red. Very neat pop.
It looks like the Sith Trooper one.
Yeah, it does kind of because of the red.
I think there's something else in there.
Yeah, no, Alex did a really good job. He put bubble wrap all around the edges to protect it. Wait, let me show you. Alex did a really good job. He put bubble wrap all around the edges, and then he put a piece of cardboard between layers, which helps give it a little bit more stability and less likely to get crushed. Great job. Okay, can I give you some more of this in your bag?
Sure. Oh, there's some cool ones in there.
All right, let me take out the cardboard. Oh, there's some cool stuff in here. Okay, let's see what we got. We got the Rocket Holiday version where he's on like a jet ski thing.
I like that one.
That one is really neat. All right, I'm running out of space in my second box. Oh, this one's cool. We have Ashley 2 from Black Mirror. I really wanted this one. I only have the chase, but not the common. That one is cool. I'm actually really happy to get that. Ooh, we have the Batman Returns Penguin. That one is really neat. Wanted that one as well. We have from Dumb and Dumber, we have Lloyd Christmas in Tux. That is neat. I don't have that one. I guess I don't have any of these. I mean, that was the point. Okay. Ooh, we have the Red Giant Lady. I love that one. I love the Asia exclusive. She is really neat. Okay, and then he's trading me some Teeny Ghosts. So this is really cool. I think this one glows in the dark.
This one looks very, very cool.
It's super cool. I've got a couple of them now. I guess I'm officially collecting them now.
I like the Teeny Ghosts.
Yeah.
They're really cool figure vinyls.
Yeah, they are really cool figure vinyls. Okay, and then we have a red one. Another skeleton. I believe it's glow in the dark. I can't tell what the sticker says. That is very neat though. We have 4 more pops in the sorter boxes. So these are cool. Let's see what we got.
They're probably very rare ones.
Okay, we have the Toucan and Astronaut suit. Oh, that's neat. I don't think I have that one yet. I don't think I have any of these actually. I keep on being shocked that I don't have it.
One.
There might be one I might have just got, but other than that, like I keep being shocked that I don't have them. But that was the point. He's trying to send me things that I don't have. Okay, let's see what we got in this one. Ooh, this one's really cool from Kung Fu Panda. We have the Guan Yu Poo.
Ooh, I like that one.
That one is awesome. Love Kung Fu Panda.
And
Well,
I love
Alex.
Pandas.
Yeah, the cool kid loves pandas.
I love pandas.
Yeah, the cool kid loves pandas. All right, Alex, so far everything so far is amazing. I'm having so much fun with this box. Okay, and then we have, oh, that's cool.
The
That's
other one from the gaming one.
Yeah, that one is really neat. I didn't even see these before. I love it. This is like a double pop with a little teeny droid. I wonder if they're glued or if you could pull them off or not. Not sure. Either way, he's really awesome.
There's one more left.
All right, one more to go, cool kid says. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, Woody Woodpecker Chase. Love Woody Woodpecker. Okay, That one's amazing. Alex, you did an awesome job sending me a lot of really cool pops.
Yeah, awesome.
I might have to wait for this helicopter though. All right, Alex, that was amazing. I had so much fun going through your box. When I'm done with the video, I'm going to add up the values and I'll let you know if we're even now, or I'll probably owe you something because there's a lot of really cool stuff in there. All right, that was fun. I had fun filming outdoors. I think the Cool Kid and I are going to do more fun videos like this over the summer. Right, Cool Kid?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I want to thank my patrons for supporting the channel. With their help, I'm able to do more videos like this more often. I'm going to put a couple other mega epic Funko Pop hauls right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.